Welcome to this video about how to vote using our snapshot platform in the Leches.finance and Leches Cake BEP20 token. So this is a community token and everything that is related to the community. We need people to vote for the different things that the community wants to do. And I think this is very important for transparency reasons and to ensure the success of the community is to get the community involved into every single decision. So the way to vote inside our project is very simple. We have our voting platform onboarded inside snapshot.org. So all we really need to do is go to the voting and proposal system, right? So some of you may, as community members, will have the ability to basically vote inside this platform. So the main idea will be that you all going to go to snapshot.org and we're going to vote for anything that is related to Tres Leches cake. So, for example, one of the proposals we currently have is about our tokenomics, right? We are thinking that there may be some changes that we need to do around our tokenomics to improve our marketing efforts. So, I think we have a few options to go around this. Other people will saying, hey, you 12% is too much. You need to lower it to 10%. So to make sure everybody has the opportunity to vote and to change the outcome of our project, we always going to use snapshot.org to vote for those different things. So let's say we want to vote inside this proposal. We hit connect. We go to our MetaMask and we're going to connect to our MetaMask right there. Once we're connected, we are going to read our proposals, right? These proposals are based on ideas from the community. So for example, our tokenomics about, option A, option B, C, D, E, basically either current tokenomics, no changes, right? So all you have to do is say, okay, look, I really would like for us to stay in the 10%. There's always going to be a risk with every single decision around tokenomics, right? We want to try to have a healthy marketing budget, but we also want to try to have a healthy liquidity, right? And I think those are two things that are really important. Now, the order scholarship is our primary goal, so we really want to make sure that we have enough funds to basically do our scholarship every single quarter. But of course, marketing comes first and our holders come second as well, right? We want to make sure that all holders are happy about every decision we do. And of course, with the rewards they're about to get. 5% K rewards is currently a great amount of rewards to get back as a passive income. So of course, we have to choose an option here. And once you have chose the option, you click vote. You agree to the vote, and it's going to review and make sure that you have, enough tres leches to basically vote. If you don't have enough tres leches, you're not going to be able to vote. That means you're not a holder, right? Everybody that has 10,000 or more tokens will be able to buy it in our platform. So that is something that you need to do in order to vote inside our system. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to basically get one of our accounts that basically have a few tokens to basically vote and show you guys the voting efforts, right? So for example, we read our tokenomics and we say, okay, look, to stay within the 10%, 4% rewards will go back to the holders. So our holders will basically take that 1% and we add it into marketing, but then liquidity is 1%, scholarship 1%. Um, in reality, we want to try to keep or liquidity as best as we can. So, I mean, as a project, as part of the project, I think, the best option to keep everything working and functional without having too much risk is potentially lowering the K rewards to 4% and add that to our marketing efforts, right? So it's a contribution from the holders to our marketing. So our marketing is more stable and we lower it to 11%. Another option is, we really can stay around the 12% and we should basically just shift around different things. The other option is like, look, I think everything we have is great. We shouldn't change anything. We just need as community to keep delivering and growing our community as best as we can so we can choose that option. So of course, I will say vote E is potentially the best approach. So I'm just going to click on vote. It's going to go to our MetaMask and it's going to sign the vote. There is no payment, no cost. This is basically using a signature process to validate that you own right tokens and you have the right to vote. So We just approve our signature and our entry is going to be count in. So as you can see now, there is a count to basically live the tokenomics the way it is. So this is a great platform. We're going to be using this voting platform for everything related to our contract or scholarship and any changes. So thank you very much. This is Tres Leches Cake, a cryptocurrency that is so sweet you can actually taste it.